Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Product. Today, we're checking out the best hybrid solar inverter, a smart, all-in-one solution for solar, battery, and grid power. If you want efficiency, flexibility, and future-ready performance, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Product features: all-in-one power management. Let's kick things off with one of the best features, the all-in-one design. The Ames Power PIHY 4600 replaces multiple devices by managing grid-tied solar, off-grid backup, and battery storage, all from one compact unit. This setup not only simplifies installation, but also helps cut down on equipment costs. Whether you're connected to the grid or looking to go fully off-grid, this hybrid inverter gives you maximum flexibility from day one. High efficiency equals more power saved. With efficiency ratings like these, the Ames Power PIHY 4600 really shines. It offers 97% CEC efficiency, 97.6% maximum efficiency, 98.1% PV to battery conversion, and 96.8% battery to AC efficiency. What does that mean for you? Simply put, you're using more of the solar power you generate with less waste. From charging batteries to running home appliances, this inverter makes sure every bit of sunlight works harder for your energy needs. Operates without batteries. Here's a standout feature. You don't even need batteries to start using this inverter. The PIHY 4600 can run entirely without a battery bank, which is perfect if you're working with a tight budget or live in an area with a stable power grid. You can always add batteries later as your needs grow, giving you both affordability and flexibility. Stackable for larger setups. Need more power down the line? No problem. The stackable design lets you connect up to 6 units together. That makes it perfect not only for homes, but also for businesses and larger solar projects. You can start with just one unit and expand your system as needed, without replacing your existing setup. Wide battery compatibility. The inverter supports a wide voltage range from 80 volts to 495 volts, making it compatible with a variety of battery types, including lead-acid and lithium-ion. So, whether you're using traditional batteries or planning to upgrade to lithium in the future, the Ames Power PIH 460 is ready to adapt. Net metering plus backup power. What's even better? It does net metering and off-grid backup. You can sell your extra solar power back to the grid during the day and still have backup power ready for emergencies or outages. This dual-purpose setup gives you the best of both worlds: energy savings and energy security. Pros: all-in-one functionality. Combines solar, grid, and battery in a single unit. Ultra-high efficiency. Saves more energy, reduces losses. Battery-free operation. Great for beginners or budget-friendly setups. Scalable design. Perfect for both home and commercial use. Supports net metering. Sell unused power back to the grid. Works with all battery types. Flexibility for future upgrades. Safe and reliable. Trusted Ames power quality. Cons: no built-in battery. Needs external battery purchase for full off-grid function. Professional installation recommended due to its hybrid and stackable features. Initial setup can be technical, especially for new users unfamiliar with hybrid systems. Final thoughts. If you're in the market for a hybrid inverter that's powerful, smart, and incredibly versatile, the Ames Power PIH 4600 is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for anyone serious about solar, whether you're just starting out or scaling up an existing system. From its all-in-one power management and top-tier efficiency to the option to grow your system over time, this inverter is built for both the present and the future of renewable energy. Ready to take control of your energy use? Be sure to check the price link in the description for the latest deals. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review from Best Product. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.